been a bit of a whirlwind, few days to be fair. Kind of viewed wind of it last week, and then it kind of all materialised over the weekend. And then I was in start of this week, so yeah, it's been a bit of a whirlwind, but very enjoyable, and I'm very happy to be here now. Yeah.
We need goals up front. We need strikers that want to get into the box, that want to put the ball into the net, and that are getting annoyed if they don't do so. But what has impressed me a lot with him is his physicality, where he's played men's football now for quite some time, which changes the way a young player plays. You learn how to use your body better, how to use it differently. If you're maybe a little bit smaller, but you play against big lads, you learn how to use your body differently. And then with the back to the goal, he's, from all the clips that I've watched, he's always comes with an idea, right? So the link-up play was really good. That he doesn't only hold it up, no, at times it's just a one-time pass to his teammate, to a supporting player, and that was exactly what we were looking for.
It's an amazing club, and I was upset to be leaving, obviously, it's for a better opportunity, so it had to be done. But a brilliant club, brilliant people. The boys is a great group, and it's a very good place for young players to go and develop themselves as well. Griff's a great manager. The players they've got in the dressing room can kind of help young players and progress. I become a much better player being there, kind of discovered myself, reinvented myself. So yeah, thank you to the club. I had an amazing time, and hopefully they can kick on now and go to Europe again this year.